summary.
Alcohol of the PBA, partner natin sa kalusugan.
Eksakto at papasimula na po ang ating third quarter with Alaska on top by 3 points, 39-36. Ito po ang game number 3 ng ating 1997 Commissioner's Cup. At Dr. J, kanina pinapasok natin ang ating mga dugout reporters again sa ating mga respective dugouts katulad ng ginagawa natin dito sa series na ito. Ang Gordons nakadikit dito despite playing without Chris King at ang ating Old Warrior. Pinapakita na meron pang natitira sa kanyang reserva.
Yeah, and I think Jaworski went to him right away dahil nakita niya binabantayan ni Lago, who he probably feels na may advantage si Terry Saldana at the low post area. Meanwhile, si Holland also on the other end.
Sinapalpal at ibinalik yung bola sa kanyang mukha ni Marlo Aquino. And Butch, anong sinasabi sa dugout ng Gordons kanina?
Well, Chino, pinuri ni Coach Sonny Jaworski ang efforts si Pido Harencio, JB Gayoso at Terry Saldana. Nireview din lang yung kanilang double teaming sa depensa at sabi niya, huwag kayong double team pag si Marlo ang bantay kay Holland dahil kayang-kaya ni Marlo yan. At isa pa, kinumen niya yung kanyang team sa kanilang fighting heart dahil alam nilang gustong-gusto nilang manalo. Sabi niya, dalian natin yung ating paraan manalo by working together and sticking to the game plan. Balik tayo sa inyo, Chino.
6 na puntos ang gagawa nito si Terry Saldana and he just gave Gordons the first taste of the lead. Bukas si Holland pamula sa ibabaw ang kanyang tira na awa.
Well, Marlo Aquino helped out and that left Holland with a nice 15-footer. Pero Terry Saldana giving them some offensive suck and maybe putting a little pressure on the defense of Alaska dito sa second half of play, no?
Almost a steal by Jojo Lastimosa. Alam ko si Team Gone maraming mga problema. Isa sa mga problema niya parang yung fire ng kanyang team wala doon. Anthony, ano naman sinabi sa dugout ng Alaska?
Wala naman sinasabi ni Coach Tim Con sa mga players niya. The hardest thing to do here in the PBA is to play against a team without an import because one, you can be too relaxed and number two, you might be too tight kasi gustong-gusto nyo manalo at tambakan nyo isang team. Sabi niya, just relax, stick to our game plan and we will win this game. Balik tayo sa'yo.
At habang ginagawa ni Anthony ang report, may tira si Bong Hongis bukas na bukas, hindi niya nakuha ang kanyang tira. Bagsak si Noli Locsin at Dr. J, yung sinasabi nila, no, pagka walang import, parang iniisip mo madali ang kalaban. Totoo kaya yon?
Oh, that's gonna and actually goaltending na rin yun eh. Kasama na rin pumasok yung layup ni Johnny Abariento. So balik sa isa lamang. Harencio naipit ni Dwight Lago doon sa baseline with his body and he's called for the blocking foul.
Pido Harencio had a tremendous explosion in the third quarter, scoring 3 3-pointers. Ay makakakuha ng foul kay Dwight Lago. Bukas siya, inatake niya yung depensa.
Yeah, 11 points in the second quarter para kay Pido Harencio for them to come back. They go back to that play. Terry Saldana, meantime, minahanap niya yung libre. Gayoso.
He had one kanina sa second quarter. Ngayon wala. Ito si Johnny Abarientos. Ang quickness binigay kay Kevin Holland. And that is what Johnny Abarientos does so well.
That's a dunk for Kevin Holland. Possible 3-point play.
Ito si Johnny Abarientos. Tingnan mo yung whipping a pass to Kevin Holland. Halos hindi nakatingin Dr. J, but somehow he felt someone was coming from his right side.
Well, Kevin Holland got a good break because I did not see a foul there. You know, there's a slight push downstairs. He made the dunk. Siyempre, getting out of the way si Terry Saldana. So a possible 3-point play pero not to be completed by Holland.
(45-42) ang ating score. Alaska hanging to a 3-point lead. Terry Saldana was 6 points in this ball game. Montik nang makuha ang kanyang 8 puntos. And Terry Saldana has been used sparingly in this conference. Has come up big in this ball game. He has 6 points total dito sa ating ball game na to. This is the third quarter. Makakakita pa siya ng extensive minutes because of the ejection of Wilmer Ong, Dr. J.
Yes, halos hindi na siya nakakalaro. And, Wilmer, of course, much bigger and much younger than Terry Saldana. Pero sabi nga sa'yo, the Old Warrior may have a last hurrah.
At Dr. J, mabait pa sa kanya yung swerte.
Meron naman talaga tayong panahon na may araw na lahat ng swerte napupunta sa'yo. May araw naman, sobrang malas mo. Vince Season, by the way, has come back to replace JB Gayoso. Still a 2-point lead here for Alaska. 9 minutes and 8 seconds left in this third quarter of play.
Terry Saldana hindi ginamit sa first 2 games. Ngayong ginagamit siya.
Pwede sa
Yun ang shooter's bounce, Dr. J.
Sobra, dalawang bounce nga yun eh. Bounce left, bounce to the right and go in. No? So he's really getting the breaks in this ball game.
This is game number 3 of the 1997 PBA Commissioner's Cup Finals.
Mismatch.
Johnny Apariento shooting. Wala. Rebound to Terry Saldana.
Naagawan naman ni Bong Hawkins. And almost another steal. Oh, nabitawan.
Tira nito si Kevin Holland, Dr. J. Hindi ko alam kung mekaniko ito si Kevin Holland dahil mukhang may grasa yung kamay.
Pero alam mo, Kevin Holland may be feeling and wilting under the pressure, no? I mean, this is a dunk. One hands. Medyo sigurado madulas na rin yung bola.
Baka pwede sabihin niya. Pero Dr. J, 3 beses ko nata nakikita sa seryeng ito. It's either madulas ang kamay ni Kevin Holland o dahil sa kulay niya, hindi natin nakikita na mumutla siya sa seryeng ito. Tumira si Pido Harencio.
3-point shot.
And Sonny Jaworski elated with that shot. Itong kanyang kumpanan na to, hanging tough without an import, playing tremendously well, Dr. J.
Because I think the pressure is so much on the other side, on the other team, eh. Kaya nagkakaroon ng ganun, eh.
Kanina sinasabi
Nice
natin,
move.
anong puso meron ito at si Bo Hawkins continues to struggle. Shooting 2 of 11, Dr. J, from the field. Marlo Aquino, fall away! And Tim Roll says, I've seen enough. I want time. At yan ang kanyang makukuha. Has taken the lead. They're on top by 4 points against Alaska.
And they certainly have some momentum. Naobliga pa nga tumawag ng timeout si Coach Cone. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Harencio open.
Again! The explosion from Harencio. He has scored just his 5th 3-point shot of the ball game for a total of 17 big points.
15 from the Triple B territory. And that's a 7-point lead now being enjoyed by Gordons.
Hindi nyo po iisipin na naglalaro ng walang import ng agawan pa ni Hison. Itong si Kevin Holland na hindi na pinagpapawisan at hindi pa malaman kung anong gagawin sa loob ng court.
Meanwhile, may control na naman kaagad. Eh, walang pass break. Sabay hinto kaagad ang ginawa ni nila Hison at ni Noli Locsin. Double team against Locsin. He's gonna move out of the double team.
Harencio will take another 3-point shot. This one is short. But there is Saldana for the loose ball recovery. Marlo Aquino thinking 3.
Kunwari lang yun. Ano yan, fake lang yun.
Panakot lang yun, panakot.
Eh, wala na naman movement dito ang Gordons, although they have a lot of time on their clock.
Ito, binigyan ng high pick ni Marlo. Hison will take his own 3-point shot. Wala. Rebound nakuha ng Alaska.
That was a nice pick and wide pick given by Marlo Aquino. Jojo Lastimosa is coming into the picture. He's gonna have that open shot.
And it's short. Bong Hawkins, pag hindi pa naman na-shoot yan, hindi ko na alam. Libre-libre na siya. So ngayon, nag-improve ng konti yung kanyang field goal shooting. 3 of 13.
Good tap there by Kevin Holland. Siguro sa loob ni Holland, parating dumudulo sa bola. Bigay ko na
Ipasa ko na lang siguro. Ito si Locsin, nasupalpal. Nakuha niya ang bola, but
he was outside.
Nakahiga na siya sa sahig at tumama yung kanyang balikat sa gilid.
Meanwhile, Baldavidas come back into the ball game, giving Pido Harencio a much-needed rest. Pido has been playing aggressive defense against Johnny.
And Dr. J, kanina sa second quarter, nakabalik ang Gordons sa pamamagitan ng mga pukol. Itong si Pido Harencio. Pido Harencio, shooting from all angles. He had 3 3-pointers sa second quarter. At yan po ang isa sa mga high points nitong ating ball game na ito. At dito sa quarter na ito, tinuloy ni Harencio ang kanyang mainit na kamay.
Well, ang nangyari dito kasi dinoble team na naman nila si Johnny up on top and Marlo went out to meet him. Ang problema is if you do that to Johnny, he's gonna find the open man. No look pass to a cutter on the weak side. No?
52-49 ang ating score. Terry Saldana uncorks. Wala. Rebound Marlo Aquino. Pumping in 1. 2 points again for Marlo Aquino. He has a total of 15 and playing like an import.
He's dominating Holland actually in this ball game. Offensively, defensively, he's dominating him, no?
54-49 to think Dr. J. Alaska had an early lead of 11 points early in this ball game.
But it always happens in this series. Parati sila una-una.
And Johnny Aparientos hacked in the head. Parang ang